Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a number from any base to any base using counting. To convert any number from a base to any base without using base 10, counting is very easy. But before I show you, I would like to discuss briefly the old ways of doing it, a way in which we first take the base to base 10, then from base 10 to destination base. Here we have 3 to 3, base 4, and we're taking it to base 6, right? So usually what we do is to convert from base 4 to base 10, then to base 6, which is solved as below. So we go from the first, the rightmost number to the leftmost number. So we start the power with zeros. These zeros simply means the ones, the tenths, the hundreds, the thousands, and it goes forth. But here we are on just 100. So 0, 1, 2. So, and we multiply the number by the base raised to power, the number of the units. So 2 times 4 raised to the power 1, 3 times 4 raised to the power 0. If you compute this arithmetics, you'll be getting 59 base 10. Okay, so if you take this base 10 to base 6, you'll be getting 135 using this technique. Now, to solve it to solve through counting, you draw a table. We are converting from 4 to 6, so draw a table with 4 columns, then count to 59th position. This is the 59th position. The figure you have here becomes your answer. Alright, so here we remember we're counting under base 4, so whenever we get to 4 we switch to 10, because before in 4 it's got to 1 remainder, remainder 0, so that gives us the 1 0. So we have 1 2 3, then 10, then 11 12 13 20 21 22 23 30 31 32 33 100, and it goes forth. 101 102 103 110 110 and 1 110 and 2 110 and 3 120, and it goes. But if you look at this counting, there are patterns. All right, the maximum number we have under the base 4 is in hundredth units, so we do not need to go beyond 100 units, and we do not need to count beyond 320. Then we had 3, then we get there. So these are the patterns you have to look for. These are 4 columns. Before you shift to another, the countings are always in 4 4 4 4 before you get to adding 10 in 1 0. It's always switching, it's always like 4 4 4 4 4, before you get there. So you count 10 20 30 100 110 120 130 200 210 220 230 300 210 320 330, 400 if you have to continue that way, but 320 suffices. So we have to count the remainders, which is 3 to 1, 3 to 2, 3, and 3. So this is the 59th position. You can just multiply 4 times 14 plus 3 to get a 59. Alright? 4, the number of columns times the number of rows. 4 times 14 plus 3. That gives you the 59. That's what we have here. And therefore, 323 is in 59th position. To get base 6 equivalent of 323 base 4, we count under base 6 and stop at 59th position. Whatever number we have there becomes the answer. We already know we have 6 columns. To know the number of rows to go, we divide 59 by 6, which is 9.83. Therefore, we take 9, the integer parts, as our number of rows. So here in the table, we'll be having 6 columns, 9 rows, plus the remainder. Alright, so that gives us the 59. So if you look at 6 times 9, you'll be having 54. 54 plus 5 gives you the 59. So if you count using the technique, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you get to 6, you don't write 6 because you're counting under base 6. So you write 10 because you can say we have 6. How many 6 do we have in 6? Is 1, remainder 0. So that's what we have here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. When you get to 60, the same thing applies. You change it. The change is I already show you how to do that. If you don't, if it's a little bit confusing when you get here, try counting 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, then add 1. When you add 1 to 55, it gives you 100. On the basics, it's that simple. 1 plus 5 gives you 6. So you have 1 0. You keep 1. You write down the 0. 1 plus 5 it gives you 6. You write 1 0 0. That gives you that. So yeah. So you continue your counting 110, 120, 130. Then you do not need to write 140 because that will be taken to the 60 position, 60th position, so you don't have to get there. So your remainder is 5 because 6 times 9 gives you 54, and 54 plus 5 takes you to the position where you're going, to your destination. So your remainder, it counts 1, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135. That gives you the answer in basics. Alright, that's how to do it without taking your number to base 10 before you go to the destination number. So there's the answer in basics, which we have already computed using the regular method. Alright, so thank you.